If your LG TV won't turn on and all you see is a red light blinking under the screen, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple things you can try that often bring the TV back to life. I recommend following along with me and trying each solution one by one until the TV finally turns on again. Let's start with the first fix I have for you. The first thing we're going to try is a full power reset. This fixes a lot of problems caused by leftover electricity inside the TV. Go ahead and unplug your LG TV from the wall outlet. Make sure the plug is completely removed, and don't just turn off a power strip. Once the TV is unplugged, locate the physical power button on the TV itself. On most LG TVs, it's usually right under the logo or slightly off to one side. Now press and hold that power button for a full 60 seconds. This step drains any remaining power from the TV and clears small internal issues that can prevent it from turning on. After that, don't plug the TV back in right away. Leave it unplugged for about 3 to 5 minutes so the TV has time to fully reset internally. When you're ready, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet, not into a surge protector or extension cord, and then press the power button again. In many cases, this step alone is enough to fix the blinking red light problem. If the red light is still blinking, let's move on to another solution. The next thing we want to check is anything connected to the TV. Unplug every HDMI cable from the TV. This includes game consoles, streaming devices, sound bars, or anything else plugged into the HDMI ports. A bad HDMI cable or a frozen external device can prevent the TV from booting properly and cause the red light to keep blinking. Once everything is disconnected, try turning the TV on again. If the TV turns on this time, reconnect your devices one by one to figure out which one was causing the issue. If that didn't solve it, there's another fix that surprises a lot of people. This time we're going to check the remote control. Start by removing the batteries from your remote. Then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 30 seconds. This clears any stuck signals stored inside the remote. After that, press a few other buttons to make sure none of them are physically stuck. Now insert a fresh pair of batteries. Even if your current batteries seem fine, weak batteries can still light up the remote, but fail to send a strong enough signal to the TV. Once that's done, try turning the TV on again. If the TV still doesn't respond, there's another common issue we should rule out. Check if there are any other remotes in the room, such as a soundbar remote, Blu-ray remote, or another TV remote. Remove the batteries from those remotes as well. A stuck button on another remote can constantly send infrared signals, which can interfere with your LG TV and stop it from turning on. After removing those batteries, try powering on the TV again. If the problem is still there, the next fix involves checking the TV itself. Take a look at the physical buttons on the TV, including the power button and the volume or input buttons on the bottom or back of the screen. If any of these buttons are stuck in the pressed position, the TV may refuse to turn on. Press each button a few times to loosen it and make sure none of them are stuck. Then try turning the TV on again. Now, if your TV finally turns on after one of these steps but still behaves strangely, there's one more thing you can try. At this point, you can consider doing a factory reset. Just keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all apps, settings, and Wi-Fi information. Only do this if the TV is actually turning on. A factory reset will not help if the TV is still stuck with a blinking red light and won't power on at all. If none of these fixes worked, there's a chance the issue is hardware related. The problem could be with the main board, the power supply board, or the LED backlights. When one of these components starts failing, the TV protects itself by not turning on, which is why the red light keeps blinking. Before buying any replacement parts, it's always a good idea to talk to a technician first. They can quickly identify which component is failing and tell you whether the repair is worth the cost. If one of these fixes helped you, feel free to leave a comment. It might help someone else dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.